Hey guys, really quick video again today for you. I've had a few people asking for a quick video on how to install the Tekkit mod for the server. To be quite honest with you, it's very simple. It's pretty much automatic. There's a couple of things you need to change, so I'm just going to cover those really quickly. But first thing you need to do is go to this website, which is www.technicpack.net. Link will be in the description below as well, so that you can get there a little bit easier. But once you get to this page, you'll see this green box here which says download the Tekkit launcher. So you just need to click on that and give it a few seconds. I've deleted my installation, by the way, just so I can do this from scratch. You can see that it's downloaded the Tekkit launcher to your default download location. Mine's on the desktop, but hopefully you'll know where yours is. But once that's downloaded, all you really need to do is to run it. And it's going to bring up in a second the Minecraft login screen, and you need to type in your Minecraft login details for obvious reasons. Mine are already in there, but one thing you do need to do on the left hand side is choose which mod you want to play. So for the purposes of our server, at the very least, you want to click on Tekkit. You also want to go to options. And you can either do put always use development builds, or you can put a dot in manual build selection and choose the latest one, which is right at the top of the list. It's up to you which one. They both do the same thing. And then click on login, and that's going to download all the Tekkit mods. And once it's downloaded, it'll open up Tekkit. And it takes a little bit longer to load than normal Minecraft, but once that's done, you're ready to go, pretty much. And you can jump on the server. Now, there's only 2 errors that I'm aware of. One of them, is it 2 or 1? Well, there's 1 for sure. The first error that I can think of is an error, something along the lines of can't find Java. Now that basically means that you've probably got the wrong version of Java installed on your PC. Like maybe you've got a 64-bit operating system, but you're using 32-bit Java, or vice versa, or something along those lines. Now the easiest way to fix that without messing around with Java is simply to go into your app data folder and open that bad boy up. Oh no, not that one. How if I typed it right? And in here, you'll have a .Tekkit launcher folder, and you'll also have tekkitlauncher.jar. So if you ever get a message saying that it can't find your Java folder or something like that, then this Tekkit launcher on your desktop, delete it, and all you want to do is run this jar file instead, and that will bypass that error message for you. The only other way to fix it would be to install Java correctly. But like I say, it's hard for me to say what your exact Java problem is. I suspect more than likely you're going to be using an older version of Java, or like a 32-bit version of Java on a 64-bit operating system. So you could remove all the Javas and reinstall the correct one. That would fix the problem too. But that's it, guys. This is a really simple mod to use. Like I say, it does all the downloading for you, and if you ever do want to play any of the other mods, you just select the correct mod, click login, and it'll launch the correct mod. Now, normally there's a bit of downloading involved, but for the purposes of this video, I've kind of bypassed all that. But each time you select the mod, obviously it downloads the mods, which can take a couple of minutes depending on your connection. There's quite a lot of files to download. But that's it, guys. I mean, there really is nothing more to it. Hopefully that will help a couple of you. I mean, the only thing I can really see people having problems with is the Java error. So bearing in mind, just launch the jar file from this folder instead of the launcher on your desktop, or the builds, which again is very simple. You just need to click on options, and probably the easiest thing to do is just click on use development builds, and that will save you a bunch of time. I don't know why it's a development build, but the version of Tekkit that we're running on the server is actually the recommended build right now, as far as I can tell. So I'm guessing they just haven't updated the launcher itself, but that's okay, not a big deal. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Speak to you soon.